Perfect. Perfect.
Alright, so I'm doing this video for anybody who's interested in doing acrylic pouring. I'm not going to go into detail like all the alternatives that can be used. I'm just going to keep it simple. I'm going to be using Mod Podge as my medium. So it's always important to have a medium for making your fluid acrylics. My medium I'm going to be using today is Mod Podge. The reason why I chose it is because it's my favorite one. It's easily obtainable. You can go to your Walmart, Dollar Tree even has it, Dollar General has it. Mod Podge is everywhere. Pretty much it's just PVA glue watered down. Walmart sells apple barrel, that's alright paint. It comes in the little 2-ounce bottles. If you go to like a Hobby Lobby, I can recommend getting the Anita's kind of acrylic paint. This is my favorite. It's pretty decent price, $5 for this 16-ounce bottle. There is also Liquitex. You can get that at Hobby Lobby or like a Michael's or a general craft store. I want to say Liquitex is better quality. And then there is another one of my favorites. When I buy in bulk, I do the Artist Loft Flow Acrylic. You can use any acrylic paint you want, it doesn't matter. Alright, so you got your surface you're going to pour paint on, you got your acrylic paint, you got your medium, and you got your containers, stirring sticks, and water. So let's go ahead and make it. Alright, so I really don't want to go in depth with exact measurements because that might confuse you. I'm just going to keep this really basic. So you can get a plastic cup or whatever you use and go ahead and pour your acrylic paint in the cup. And a quick tip, if you shake these bottles really good, they pour out easier. I know a lot of people probably don't do exact measurements, they just go by the way it looks. So I'm not going to go in depth with your measurements, but this is really easy. We have our acrylic paint about right there, right? So if we were to double our acrylic paint, I would say it'd probably be about right there, right? So this space right here, we're going to do 2/3 of our Mod Podge. So I'll probably want to pour it about at the top of that line right there. And then the rest of this is going to be our water. So double it, double what would be your volume of acrylic paint. You can mark it if you want, you can eyeball it, whatever. 2/3 of that you're going to do your Mod Podge. The other third you're going to do water. So how much ever acrylic paint you're using, divide that by 3 times by 2, and that should give you your ounces that you need to buy roughly of Mod Podge. Now that we got our Mod Podge, we're going to do our water. And I'm just going to fill it up to about halfway. It doesn't take a lot of water. If you add too much water, just put more acrylic paint in or put more medium in, whichever one you have. And then stir it up. But yeah, so there's your fluid acrylic.